Okay, so now that we're done with the taping, let's talk a little bit why I taped the way I did. The idea is that I wanted to have a way just to paint the faces, but not the bevel on the other side or the underside. All I want to see is just that. So tape with a little overlap to keep going there, tape underneath, a little overlap there. Hopefully the idea is that this will stop any kind of drip coming down to the rest of it also. It might get kind of thick, but hopefully the paints that I'm choosing won't drip so much, but you never know. Just thought I'd catch that. So let's talk about the paints I've chosen. I've chosen to use artist quality acrylic paints from Blick. Hopefully these will be bright enough. Maybe I only have to use a couple of coats, but we'll see how that goes. Let's get going. Okay, so it's the next day. Everything is dried after 2 coats of wonderful colors, I think, on this. It's time to remove the tape. And here we go.